To fix the radar sensor error on your 2025 Honda CR-V, thoroughly clean the front emblem and inspect the wiring harness connector behind the grille. Dashboard warnings for the collision mitigation and adaptive cruise control systems usually trigger due to surface blockages rather than an actual hardware failure. The primary radar sensor on the 2025 model is mounted directly behind the front Honda badge. This placement makes the unit highly vulnerable to bug splatter, thick road grime, and heavy rain. A thin layer of debris is enough to block radar waves and trigger a malfunction message. Start by wiping down the entire H emblem using warm water and a clean microfiber cloth. You must avoid using harsh chemical solvents or abrasive polishing powders on this specific area. Scratches on the plastic emblem cover will permanently distort the radar signal, requiring an expensive replacement part. Winter driving conditions are another common trigger for these frustrating system alerts. Driving through heavy snow, sleet, or freezing rain will rapidly cause ice buildup directly over the sensor housing. Pulling over to clear the packed snow off the badge will restore full system functionality right away. If a thorough exterior cleaning does not clear the dashboard warnings, you need to verify the physical electrical connection. Reach down behind the upper grille to access the back of the radar unit. Press firmly on the main wiring harness plug to ensure the plastic clip is locked securely. After securing that harness connector and cleaning the surface, turn the vehicle off and restart the engine to reboot the computer. The error messages will disappear within the first few miles of driving. If the warnings remain active on your dash, the system will mandate a professional scanner calibration.